అమెరికాలోని లాస్ వెగాస్లో జరిగిన ITServe సినర్జీ 2024 కాన్ఫరెన్స్ గ్రాండ్ సక్సెస్ అయింది. 2 రోజుల పాటు జరిగిన ఈ సదస్సులో గెహి అండ్ అసోసియేట్స్ సంస్థ పాల్గొంది. ఈ సదస్సులో పాల్గొనడం పట్ల ప్రముఖ అటార్నీ NM గెహి హర్షం వ్యక్తం చేశారు. న్యూయార్క్, టెక్సాస్తో పాటు పలు నగరాల్లో 80 మందికి పైగా నిపుణులతో గెహి అండ్ అసోసియేట్స్ ఇమిగ్రేషన్ సేవలను అందిస్తున్నట్లు వివరించారు.
ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ ITServe సినర్జీ 24లో నరేష్ గెహి వెరీ ఫేమస్ అండ్ యూనిక్ అటార్నీ. సో ఆయన లాయర్ ఏంటంటే కేవలం ఇమిగ్రేషన్ అని కాకుండా అన్ని రకాల కేసెస్ని హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. స్పెసిఫిక్గా న్యూయార్క్లో చూసినట్లయితే ఆయన ఎన్నో ఏళ్ళగా ఇక్కడ కొన్ని డికేట్స్ నుంచి ఆయన వర్క్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. సో IT సినర్జీలో ఆయన ప్రధానంగా ఇక్కడ గెస్ట్గా రావడం జరిగింది. సో ఇక్కడ ఈ ప్రోగ్రాంలో ఏ విధంగా ఆయన పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఎలా అనిపించింది, దానికి సంబంధించిన మరికొన్ని విషయాలు ఇప్పుడు ఆయన మాటలో మనం తెలుసుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. సో హాయ్ సార్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ డూయింగ్?
Firstly, I need to thank Sakshi TV for the good job that you all are doing. And I must begin with some great news today. And I just got some news. One of my associates who was working with me has become an immigration judge in New York. So folks, I have trained people who have become immigration judges. And at ITServe, I've seen that a lot of IT companies, they have issues, sometimes laying off employees. And sometimes the H1s are getting stuck in the pipeline. Perms are getting denied. They are seeing a lot of noids. That's a notice of intent to denies. What I do is a little different. Yes. Number one, if you are stuck in the pipeline for your green card for years, I follow a novel approach wherein we take it through the EB-1A process. We find out-of-the-box strategies for you. And if an H-1B gets denied, if your I-140 is denied, I'm a federal lawyer. We take it to federal court. So you don't have to go through AAO and you take those cases up to the next level. So that is something which is very different from what we do than most other law firms do in the country. And other than that, we've helped a lot of IT companies grow from zero, from the grassroots to the very top, because we talk to them about the day-to-day problems they face. Sometimes they face problems from the employees. Sometimes they have to lay them off. Sometimes they have to bench them. Sometimes they get into audits. Sometimes the perm gets denied. Sometimes the complaint is, Mr. Gehi, EB2 is taking too long. EB3 is taking too long. What are my options? And I like this employee, but I cannot pay him so much. What can I do? This is where we come in. And God forbid, if your employee even troubles you, we get involved and we fight for the IT company. This is something what we do all the time.
Yeah. See, look at the ITServe. After ITServe, they are come up with a lot of things to support the employees, at the same time employers. So always they are standing for them. So how you are going to help them to sometimes you have to fight with the legal system. There is a lot of small things where they stuck. People sometimes in India stuck, sometimes here.
Yes, so
it's a lot of legal issues. Now, so how you address and how can you help, and what is your something different than others?
So such a great question you raised. Take an example. You're an H1B consultant and you are working for ABC consulting company over here. Your employee is stuck in India under 221G. Immigration doesn't want to grant him basically the visa to come in, and you're very much worried about this employee. So under 28 USC 1361, which is known as the Mandamus Act, if the person has been stuck up for a long time, you can apply for a mandamus in federal court. We go to federal court. And if the case is clean, then the judge can order immigration to make sure that they make a decision on this employee's case rather than making that employee suffer and not rendering a decision. So this is what we do. We go to the federal court if needed. We try to work with immigration. We come up with strategies to make sure that the employee comes back.
That's it. Sounds great. And tell me, how do you feel today that here the conference is going 2024?
I think the conference is doing very well. And I'm so happy to see that at ITServe, the unity is amazing. I think people have done a fabulous job here. The only thing that we all need to do at this stage, and I'm so happy to see that we all are united, it's time for us to let America know that we are a blessing in this country, and we have been kind of basically bringing a lot of money in this economy. We are here to work with the Americans, and we are here to make sure that people who are on H-1B visas, people who are on EB2s for a long time, people who are on EB3s for a long time, we want Americans to understand that law needs to be changed. We need reform, and we need to distinguish that we believe in legal immigration in the country, because most Americans don't even understand the difference between undocumented immigration and the legal immigration, and the fantastic job that ITServe is doing.
Thank you so much, and wish you good luck, sir. And message for our viewers.
Yeah, my message is keep watching Sakshi TV. I'm a very well-known lawyer, as you all might be knowing. Naresh Gehi is my name, and I've appeared on CNN. Sorry, I've been on Fox News. I've been on Channel 11. I've been cited as an expert in immigration. But I must tell you that this channel is very close to my heart. It gets you news in a very, very precise way and in a fearless way. And it's music to your ears when you listen to Sakshi News. Please subscribe and support Sakshi News.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. సో ఓవరాల్గా చూసినట్లయితే ఖచ్చితంగా ITServe లాంటి వేదికలు అనేవి ఎంతగానో దోహదపడతాయి ఇటువంటివి మరింత ముందుకు పోవడానికి, సమస్యలను పరిష్కరించడానికి, తద్వారా అందరికీ కూడా మంచి చేకూరుతుందని ఆయన మాటలో తెలియపరచడం జరిగింది. దిస్ ఈజ్ సింహ, సాక్షి టీవీ, లాస్ వేగాస్.